Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bang Arkum Koko. I'm from Lane 8, and today I will give you a tutorial on how to make a name card app. So, first one, we go to this site, that is creator.codular.io, and then in our website in here, there will be a button that is create project. We click, and we will name it name card. And the name can't have space in it. Then configure the project is setting can be changed later, but let's just change it now. We will okay. Then for this we will just empty it for now. So this is the first impression of the Codulab creator. In our right side there is properties. In here you can change the main stuff on the screen. There is this is one is for the screen in here, the component. Uh, this is the board screen, the background color, and then this is the aligning for the element for the component. The background color, let's change this to, for example, to here, or maybe, and then there is more thing like the title. We will change it to name. As you can see, it was changed. So let's get into the creating the name card. So in the left side right here, there is the palette or the things that you can make and add in here. And for now, we will make in the layout this card view. This is the card view. It was in upper left, so we need to make it center in the screen, center right here, and then this we will also make this center the alignment because we will put components in here. Let's set the height to like 80%, the width to 80%, and maybe 60. Maybe like this. And then in here, there is the corner radius, which is this corner, how round is the corner. Let's just make it approximately 10, if you want more, 20. And then as you can see here, there is a shadow behind the name card. You can maybe remove it like this, or maybe you can make it more like this. So what we will first add in this card view is the first one is we will add a space in up here. Oh yeah, this one should be aligned to the top. Example, this is 5%, and then there should be an image right here for the sample profile. Let's just take from example like in here. And then we can upload the picture. And we can select the picture in here. Don't forget to set the height and width because maybe it will be too large. Maybe we can make this bigger. Maximal around like here. And then we duplicate the space by Control C and Control V. We will put another text in here. No, the name is label. We can set the font size to 20 and then make it bold, and then we call it, for example, John. So yeah, and we should make it to a section name. Like this. And then we can make more of this, and we can add a new layout that is horizontal arrangement. and vertical arrangement. This will be inside the horizontal arrangement. And then we put S C H, and then we will make this 30 volt. H is for symbol 20, and then we can copy this achievement. For example, 5 pro projects, like this. Say this is a very simple name card. You can maybe add like birthday or hobbies or maybe other things about yourself. Maybe that is all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.